Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I contemplated not making a video today because yesterday I thought I had made a mistake on the video and I have to go back and listen to it and I sounded horrible. And I was like, do people really want to watch these scratchy voice videos? And then I was like, you know what? Let's just go for it. So I'm going to just be making these cute little kits and then we're going to turn them into cards, not today, but tomorrow. So I picked this up from the General. You get to make four for $1, which is still a good deal. So they're a quarter piece. The funny thing about Dollar General, well, a lot of these little kits is this. Each set includes 36 pieces, die cut foam, four pom poms, four strings, glue, and tape are not included on this kit. So this is probably going to be our instructions. We're going to see. I feel like the Dollar General is definitely going up. I saw some $2 stuff in there. I wish they wouldn't go up, but I understand. I feel like if they didn't go up, they would be better at competing with the Dollar Plus store. But it is what it is. So it tells us all the things that we need, and it says use the photo as a guide, peel and stick pieces together. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make our four pieces really quickly. Gonna pull these all out. Not all of these have sticky on the back. None of it's sticking together like in previous times. I probably shouldn't say anything because I'll jinx it. These will make cute little card fronts for giving. So the feet are yellow, not orange. I think it says the colors may vary or something on a few of the kits that I've purchased. Not just this one in general, but not this one, but in general, I should say. Presents. Tomorrow's the last day of school before Thanksgiving. So they gave us an extra sheet of presents, okay? Or did they? Yeah, I think they did. All right, so we're gonna. You know what? None of this has sticky on it. That's interesting. Usually they give us one sticky. So then we're gonna go ahead and go. Uh-oh. I'm just looking at how the penguin doesn't look the same on the picture as it does from what we're doing. Forgive me. Like, is this wrong? I'm doing it wrong. No, I'm doing it right. This piece is supposed to be like that. There we go. And then I think this little pom pom is going to go here. Then this goes here. And then the little feet. There we go. I think that's it. All right, so I went back and I separate everything, and it says using photo as a guide, but it says for best results, hot glue or double-sided tape are recommended. Glue sticks, and double-sided tape are not included in this kit. So I don't know about that. When I put some tape on just one of them, I don't think we're gonna do all four, but um, maybe not tomorrow, but the next day, the next time we do these little penguins, they will all be taped down. They'll all be assembled. I'm just trying to not rush, but get it done. All right, so over here it has our steps. So this is step one, and then step two is actually this piece, which is very weird. Well, step one is this one and this one, right? All right, and then so step two is this piece, and the feet. I didn't put tape on the feet. I'm hoping the glue will be okay. It's definitely sticking to my hand. Then I have tape on the scarf. A lot of tape on the scarf. Very sticky glue. And I didn't put any tape on this one either, because it was so tiny. And then a little pom pom. Low maintenance stick, pretty good. I do recommend that you put all your tape and adhesive on your pieces first to get this over, completed a little bit faster. And if you have thinner tape, definitely use thinner tape. I do think the tape works really well on the phone. So we're going to go ahead and get everything taped down. Okay, I was going to tape all these things down. Let me tell you what happened. I put tape on this thing. So what we're going to do is just do this one together and then we'll be done. Okay. And we'll work on another project tomorrow. I'm not feeling my best today, y'all. I keep getting better and then not feeling better and then feeling better and not feeling better. So, um, I don't even know why that's a thing right now. I do feel way better. I took some medicine, so maybe that's causing me to feel a little bit tired. Not like go to sleep tired, but just like sit still tired. No brain power tired. So then we got this piece right here. The good thing is we can use our little this thing to go like right here because there was still some adhesive stuck on the foam, which is fine. And maybe I should have left it on the thing and applied the tape down. So this is next. I had bought some stickers from Hobby Lobby, some Christmas stickers, so we'll use those as the sentiments. I probably will try to make a dome or something. I have to go online and find it to make a card for this though. They knew I was going to drop it. They was like, "We know that you're clumsy, and we know that you're going to drop it. So we're going to go ahead and help you out." Oh, once the tape cures, it'll be fine. And I mean the glue cures, it'll be fine. And you all know I prefer glue over tape because I think glue is a longer lasting than tape is. So let's go ahead and knock these other two out the way. You will not believe this. I tried to go and tape everything up so we could just do this really quickly, right? That one, I put the tape in the wrong spot still for the red piece on the hat. I don't know what I was thinking. So if you buy this, I recommend putting the tape on the pieces before you take them off, because that way it will be correct. If not, you will, yeah. Well, maybe you won't. Maybe it's just me. And these do look very cutesy for little kids to give cards. Or, like, here you go, Mr. Whoever. They're not very, these supposed to be Christmas ornaments. So I don't know how you could make these last a bit longer. Maybe you can slap a layer of Mod Podge on the back of them. I don't know. We're going to make some ornaments this year, so I'll let you know. But having a tape on it just makes it go so much faster, in my opinion. And I do think tape is the best way to go. So if you have tape, it seems to stick better. But we won't know that for sure until a couple of days from now when we the pom poms fall off with glue and this little duck his foot, the penguin's foot flipper falls. But I am using glue for the pom poms. I feel like glue just adheres a little bit better, like I said before. It's sticking everything but the thing I needed to stick to. So we got our four pieces done in from this ornament thing. And you could use this if you wanted to do some other stuff with it. You could probably use that and maybe this. I don't know. So we had one extra thing. We had this extra. I dropped one on the floor. I didn't feel like getting it up, but these are the little ornaments you're supposed to be making with this kit, which are, in my opinion, very cute. I like penguin. They're not like my favorite. Ooh, penguin, but they're cute. Okay. So anyway, I hope that you have a great day. I'm gonna try to keep doing the videos. Hopefully, my voice comes back tomorrow or today at some point. I feel better and then I don't feel better, so I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.